Welcome to Shared Legacy Farms in our packing shed. We are packing the CSA boxes, and if you've ever wondered how this works, here is the finished product, and we're gonna show you how the assembly line process starts. So over here, all of our different share types waiting on a giant cart. They're pre-counted, and then we make a giant assembly line. Here's Adele, and she's putting in the summer squash, the potatoes, which have been weighed on a scale. And we're going to throw in some of our red onions. And everything has a specific spot in the box, so we try to make it look really beautiful. That's our eggplant. And here Holly's grabbing a fresh carrot. These are our famous cracked carrots that are so sweet. We've got Cubanelle peppers this week, a couple of those. Those are not spicy, they're sweet. And we have a ton of bell pepper starting to come on as well. Then our green of the week is a bunch of kale. Say hi to Beth. And here's some parsley to top it off. And our beautiful cherry tomatoes. We stick a lid on top of it, seal it, and it's going to go inside of our cooler. And that is how we pack our boxes. And this is our giant board that gives us our marching orders for the day. You can see this is what is going inside of the share on week number 8. So zucchini, potatoes, red onions, eggplant, carrots, bell peppers, sweet Cubanelle peppers, kale, parsley, cherry tomatoes, and then everyone also gets a bag of sweet corn. So an awesome value for a week 8 box. If you want to learn more about how to join our CSA, you can get on our wait list by going to sharedlegacyfarms.com/CSA waitlist to put down a deposit and hold your spot for next year. This is an amazing box this week. Really proud of it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, shoot us one in the comments. Bye.